Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I thank Honorable Vanawal for the question. And Honorable Speaker, the China International Export Expo, or CIIE, is actually one of the premier events in China in terms of the global calendar. And I actually attended last year. But this year, the exhibition was attended by the Permanent Secretary for Trade and his team, and it took place from the 5th to the 10th of November 2024. Just to give you a sense of the size of this event, Honorable Speaker, about 152 countries attend from across the globe, and plus regional organizations. The exhibition space is around 420 square meters, and it does actually provide an opportunity for Fiji. We normally have a booth that profiles our trade and investment in the country. Honorable Speaker, the event was the booth actually had was endeavored to highlight some of our key exports: mineral water, noni, beverages, turmeric, kava products, alongside tourism, agribusiness, and manufacturing. This year's expo, of course, reinforced our broader strategy, or the strategy of the People's Coalition Government, to boost exports and investment, and solidify Fiji's position as the hub for trade and transportation in the Pacific. With China as one of Fiji's key trading partners, Honorable Speaker, our engagement at the CIIE is very important in fostering connections, of course, and creating new opportunities. Just very briefly, Honorable Speaker, before I sit down, some of the discussions that were held while the team was there included a discussion with Modern Star Silk. It's a company that manufactures silk production, and there is some discussion around silk production in Fiji, and they will be visiting our shores soon. CHINT Group, they're a smart energy company, Honorable Speaker, and focus on renewable energy and digital infrastructure. It is a mega multinational in China, and are keen to see whether they can participate in our green transition. Of course, Honorable Speaker, in keeping with the aquaculture bill that was passed into law yesterday, part of the visit also was to continue discussions with the Chinese government on fisheries and aquaculture. So the team actually visited the South China Agricultural University Fisheries Research Institute in Nasha, Guangzhou, exploring opportunities for collaboration in aquaculture and sustainable fisheries. Potential projects, Honorable Speaker, such as crab and prawn farming, which would obviously support the rural community, and food security and economic diversification was explored. And of course, we have invited the Institute to visit Fiji, and hope that either of the major universities, whether it's FNU or USP, may be able to collaborate with the South China Agricultural University, Honorable Speaker. So we are looking forward to a delegation from China in the next few weeks. There are also some cultural tourism projects being discussed, were discussed during the visit. And again, the emergence of cultural tourism is starting to gain momentum, and a delegation from Shanghai is most likely to visit Fiji next year. to look at exploring opportunities in that particular area. And I'm sure it will be a welcome development from the Honorable Minister of Tourism, the Deputy Prime Minister. So, Honorable Speaker, as you can see, the CIIE event is normally quite an important event for the country. It was funded by the Chinese government, so our visitation was quite targeted, and there are some very good opportunities that have emerged, and we shall be following them through in the next over the next few months. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Deputy Prime Minister Manoa Kamikamica.